In this video, I have used a knife cutter which is too sharp and may lead to severe injuries, so please use it carefully and don't leave it open. Hey everyone, I am Ashish and today I am going to show you how to draw character of Simba and do paper cutting art. If you are watching my videos first time, don't forget to tap the subscribe button and press the bell icon so to get notified when I post something new and be a part of this creative family. Start with taking a sheet and drawing the circle. Follow these simple steps and start drawing. Let's take this line. Start drawing two lines parallel to this line so to maintain the body posture, just like this. Remember, you have to leave gap between two joints. I am marking the gaps with black pen so it is easy for you to understand. I am using a knife cutter to cut the parts because it has sharp tip and it is comfortable to hold, and because of pencil-like structure. You can use paper cutter also as per your convenience.